Welcome to Faraci Is Supernatural.
Hi, Daniel
Hi,
and Nala.
that's my
Uh,
magic trick.
okay,
Surprise dog.
Good to see your everybody. This is Nala. She's awesome. Daniel's also okay. Just so everyone knows, Daniel paints his fingernails, and I couldn't be one-upped by my guest. So we've got the card pip fingernails going for today's trick.
They look spectacular.
Okay, so Daniel, here's what I want you to do.
Mhm.
Hold the. You've got a deck of cards here. Just show everyone you have a normal deck of cards. You can confirm for everyone. Yes, this is a normal deck of cards.
It is a normal deck of cards, except that it is Greek mythology themed. But that doesn't affect anything.
Themes. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, awesome. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. So I want you to just hold them face down, and hold them face down, and start dealing cards out one at a time onto the thing in front of you. And they don't all have to come from the top. You can go middle, bottom, middle, bottom, wherever you want. Stop whenever you want. Just any number of cards that you want to deal out, you can do that. And just you decide to stop. Okay, you're happy? You want a few more, a few less? Any? Okay,
happy.
Good. Okay, so now put the ones in your hand aside. Okay, now pick those up.
Oh wait, shall I leave these on camera? I'll leave these.
Those are fine.
Here?
Those are done.
Okay.
So now pick up those. Okay, keep them face down. And what I want you to do is I want you to deal those out one at a time into two piles. Hold on, and I'm not gonna just one at a time into two piles. I'm gonna turn away so I can't see anything sneaky.
Oh.
What? Oh,
done.
You're done. Okay, and then while I'm still looking away, what I want you to do is I want you to pick up the top card of either pile, whatever you want, and pick up the top card. Look at it. I'm not looking. You can show it to the camera. I mean, so that everyone else will be able to see once this is a real video. But I'm still not looking. Hopefully that's clear.
Yep.
Let me know when it's not on screen anymore.
Not on screen.
Okay. Okay, so you've got it. So you know what your card is. So now this is the tricky part. Would you be impressed if I was able to figure out what your card was?
Yes.
You would? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I think I've got some ideas. I've got some ideas here. Okay, I'm gonna go with this. Okay. This is a fun one. Okay, Daniel. Actually, wait. I just got like a flash. I just got a flash. Was your card red?
No.
It wasn't. Okay, good. I should have gone with my first instincts. Would it be impressive if this was your card?
Yeah.
Is that your card?
Son of a bitch.
Magic.
Did you actually just look?
What?
Did you actually just look?
What do you mean? When would I have looked?
When I showed it to the camera.
No, I was. Oh, could you not see that I was turned all the way away? No, I really didn't look. Oh, I just realized that you can't see my head. I wasn't thinking about the fact that that I was turned, but you could see that I was turned like this. I can't turn my head that far. That would have been awkward. This is me turning my head back.
You need to do some yoga, mate.
I think you can see if I do that.
Yeah, probably. Okay, that's genuinely impressive. Now tell me how you did it, please.
I mean, I'll consider telling you once I've turned off the camera, but I'm obviously not going to tell you right now. Okay, I'm going to stop the recording now, and then we can continue talking.
Magic.
Hi again, everyone. We are back with our second expedition with Daniel and Nala, because Nala didn't feel like she got to see the trick that Daniel did well enough, and so she'd really like to see me do a trick. And Daniel also gets an extra trick because he has been the person who has harassed me most about how to do all of the tricks that I do. So I felt like he deserves another trick just for that. So The trick that we're going to do tonight was inspired by quantum physics. The nerdiest possible thing I could come up with to be inspired by in a trick. So for those of you who are not aware, there is this weird thing in quantum physics called quantum entanglement, or sometimes quantum teleportation. And this is where two quantum particles can become, as they say, entangled. And what that means is that anything that happens to one of the particles in terms of its changing, like its spin or whatever, which I'm making spinning motions, but as I understand it, the thing they call spin in quantum particles has nothing to do with actually spinning, but whatever.
Wait, really?
I believe so. I think those are just like weird names that they have for the thing, but maybe I'm misinformed.
Physics is all made up anyway.
But anyway, the cool thing about it is that if two particles become entangled and have this thing where whatever happens to one of them happens to the other, it happens instantaneously, and it doesn't matter how far apart they are. Like you can put the quantum particles on like opposite sides of the galaxy, here represented by this tablecloth, and they will continue to have this instantaneous matching effect. So the one problem with quantum entanglement is that as cool as it sounds, the thing that it would most obviously be useful for, namely like instantaneous transmission of information, turns out to be impossible for reasons that I can't seem to understand no matter how many times I read the Wikipedia entry on quantum entanglement. And so I thought, well, what I should do is I should scale this up to the macro level and add a little magic and see if we can get the quantum entanglement effect with information transfer between these two decks of cards. So I have here two decks of Redback Bicycle cards. And so I will show you here. I just have a sort of normal deck here. I'm going to just take the jokers out and put this guy back into its box. And then over here, I have another deck of Redback Bicycle cards, from which I will also remove the jokers. Okay. And then the only other thing that we need is to decide on how we're going to change the state of the deck. So in order to do that, Daniel, I'm going to ask for your help. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start counting cards one at a time off of the top of the deck. And I just want you to tell me to stop whenever you want.
Stop.
Here?
Yeah.
More? Good? We're good?
Good.
Okay.
Good.
So now this is going to be your selected card, but I'm not going to show it to you. I'm not going to show it to anybody. What we're going to do is we're just going to put it face down on top of here. And I will just show you that we have the rest of these cards all perfectly normal. And I'm going to put those then on top of the deck here. Okay, so now what we've got is we have the deck has now, as we say, changed its state, right? We have an entirely face up deck, except for one card that is face down. And so now, if things have gone properly, we should find that the same impact has happened on our extra deck over here. Okay, so let's see how we do. So as you've already seen, we just have a kind of normal deck of cards here, but you might notice that there is indeed one card that is face down. So let's pull that out and we'll find that card is the 5 of spades. And so if things have gone as they should have here, Daniel, we're going to find that the one card, the one card over here, which I'm trying to pull out very carefully so as not to, is also the 5 of spades. And that,
okay, that's
my friends,
legit really awesome.
Is quantum entanglement.
How?
Macro-sized, magic macro. I'm going to stop saying things now because magic macro sounds terrible. End of trick. And thank you, Daniel, for double participating on Faraci Is Supernatural.